Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home and enjoying the online study. Today we will start our reader chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is The Story of the Aeroplane. Here in this chapter we will read about the two brothers, the Wright brothers, Wilbur Wright and the Orville Wright, who created aeroplane. In this chapter we will read how they created aeroplane. There was a time when people could never dream of flying in the air like a bird. It was a time when people could never think of flying in the air like a bird. It means एक टाइम था जब पीपल हवा में उड़ने की, बर्ड्स के जैसे हवा में उड़ने के बारे में सोच भी नहीं सकते थे. But today it is all a reality. But nowadays it is now a reality. You can fly to any part of the world in no time. You can easily fly to any part of the world in no time. Means आप वर्ल्ड के किसी भी पार्ट में फ्लाई कर सकते हो विदाउट एनी टाइम. इट मीन्स अ वेरी लिटल टाइम. The following story, as you will read, tells you how the Wright brothers invented the first aeroplane. Now, in this story, we will read about the Wright brothers, the two Wright brothers. Actually, Wright was their surname, so we can call them the Wright brothers. The story tells you about how the Wright brothers invented the first aeroplane. ये स्टोरी हमें बताती है कि राइट ब्रदर्स ने कैसे मिलकर फर्स्ट एरोप्लेन, दुनिया का फर्स्ट एरोप्लेन बनाया.